What better way to start a Saturday morning than with the Huntsman games? My son, my nephew, my daughter, my mom, we're all here volunteering. That's my son. Say hi, Nick. We're all volunteering to get them water and Gatorade. Just a great way to start a Saturday. I don't normally do mornings, but this is kind of cool. So they swim, and then they come out here and they'll get water or Gatorade, and then they get on their bike and they bike for a while, and then they come back and park their bike again, and then they take off running out through here, down that road, and clear out and around, and then they come back. It's a triathlon. Oh, I hope I didn't spin that so fast I made you guys sick. But anyway, that's where we are this morning, volunteering at the Huntsman games. Hello everyone, welcome back to my Diamond Addiction. This is Valerie. Last unboxing I have for today, I believe, is Diamond Art Club. I should have already uploaded the video, actually it may be what's next, of my discussion with Diamond Art Club about my clearance items. No, they did not refund my money. No, they didn't disappoint me though. They listened to what I had to say, and they made some changes based around my feedback. So to me, that's what's important. I did get another painting because I like their quality, and I wanted to try this painting. So I ordered it anyway. It's the new kit. Okay, that is exciting in itself. It does come with step-by-step diamond painting instructions and a thank you. And a 15% off code, thanks 15, on my next order. Alright, so there is the new packaging. And here is the painting that's in here. I believe this has the AB diamonds in it. So let's open it up and see what we've got. This one actually got here really fast, and I know it's because it ships here in the United States. And see how I'm not too far from Las Vegas. It gets here really fast. There's the new kit. Okay, this may sound silly, but this right here, I was so excited for this right here. Heart-shaped wax. Nope. Won't use it in my drill pens because I have enough of the other wax, but I love it. Such a nice touch. And the grippy and the pen. Blue pen, green grippy. And the clear see-through tray. I was excited for this too. And then a bunch of bags. All that comes in this toolkit. I do like their new packaging. I think their new packaging is great. And let's open this. Let's don't, because I can't get it open. Just kidding, I got it. Oh, look at that canvas. I'm going to go ahead and turn it this way so that you can see the entire canvas. Look at that canvas. That is just gorgeous. It looks like it's got some special gems to it. There's some numbers throughout it here. Oh gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, let's go ahead and let this just woosah and relax. Now I know there's a lot of different opinions right now about Diamond Art Club, and I've had great orders. I've had my one not good order, but I love them. I think they're great. No, I'm not an affiliate of theirs. No, I don't get paid to say that. That is just my opinion. In my opinion, they are great. No, I still don't get an inventory sheet. Only recommendation I have, again, still is inventory sheet, but it's okay. We'll just trust that everything is here that needs to be here. Just laying out these colors here. Oh, those are pretty. Look. Those are so pretty. Here's my whole bunch of 310. It does, I don't know, it's got little numbers by it, but I'm not sure what the numbers mean. Like this has 310, that has a 5 right there. This one has 890 and it has a 2 right there. But I don't know what those actually mean. Look at these. Look how gorgeous those are. Ah, yes. Look at all the gorgeousness to this. There's some amazing colors in here. And here's these. These are beautiful colors. I mean, look at that color. Alright, so there are the colors that will go into this painting. Look at this one. $4.98. Look how gorgeous that is. Look at the shimmer of their diamonds. One of the things I really like about them is the quality of their diamonds. I love it. Yep, those are both 9.39s. So there's that. People are saying that they're too expensive. Well, yeah, they cost a little bit more than ordering them from China. The quality of them is a lot better, unless you order off their clearance. So don't get mad. I understand their clearance. Both those are $9.92. For me, the quality itself is worth paying more. That's all I'm going to say about that. Everybody has their own opinion. Everybody has their own budget. Weigh the pros and cons. Decide what's best for you. It's not up to me to decide what's best for you and where you want to order from and what you want to do. So if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Go ahead, hit that thumbs up if you like what I had to say, or if you like the painting, or if you like anything about the video. If you don't, hey, leave me a comment. Tell me what you don't like. If you like it, tell me what you do like. Let's get some conversation going here. Hit the subscribe button, the little bell, notify you when I upload something. This painting is just going to be gorgeous. I can't do it till after Christmas because you've seen the amount of unboxings that I have done that are for Christmas presents. So yeah, they'll keep me busy probably right up until Christmas time, but this is very high priority for me because for one, it's for me, for my own wall because it's gorgeous and I like it. For another, I don't know, it's just beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. So I hope you guys are having a great weekend, or if this doesn't get done until Monday, I hope you had a great weekend. I've got a lot of editing and uploading to do, and that takes me a little bit. So I thank you all for watching. I appreciate every one of my subscribers. Have a good day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.